Hello friends, welcome to my channel Multiple Subject with Mihu. Today's subject is puzzles. Nowadays, puzzles are so important in competitive exam like banking, railway, SSC, SSC CGL, SSC CHSL. In reasoning, puzzles are very important part. But this puzzle takes a lot of time in exams, which makes the exams very bad. So today I come with a new tricks to solve the puzzle quickly. So let's start our video session. Our first puzzle is 7 people live on 7 different floors from top to bottom such that ground floor is numbered as 1 and so on. Up to top floor it is numbered as 7. They all like different color, that is yellow, orange, grey, white, black and red. We draw 3 parts. Let's start. C lives on an even number floor and likes green color. So C lives either 2, 4 or 6 and green color. There are 2 floors between the floor on which C and D lives. So there are 2 floors, C and D. G lives just above the floor on which F lives, who like black color. So G lives above the F, who like black color. There are 2 floors between the floor on which F and A lives. Between F and A, 2 people are live. A live one of the above floor on which floor G lives. B lives on one of the above floor on which E lives. E lives neither on first nor fifth floor. So A not first not fifth. E, there are 2 people live between the one who lives yellow and C. Between yellow and C, 2 people are live. Only 2 people live between the one who lives red and the one who like green. Who like red and who like green. So red and green, 2 people are live. B does not like red. So B does not like red and green. C likes green. There the person who like orange lives immediately above the person who like grays. So orange above gray, immediately above. So we put first I numbering the floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 2 into C, next column in 4 C and next column in 6 C are leaves. Now C and D, in between C and D, 2 people are leave. So here D, in there we suggest D in below the C, here D. Next the point G immediately above F. So here we put C green, green, and A black, black, black and black. Next point, F, between F and A two people are live. So F and A, here. Now A lives above the G, not immediate above, so it's okay. Next point is B lives above the E, so here I put B and here E, but the condition is E neither 1 nor 5th, so it is not done. And here also E lives in 5, so it is not done, it's a right. So B and E. Yellow and C, between yellow and C two people, so it is yellow and red and green. In between red and green two people are live, green and red. Orange and grey, so it is orange and it is grey, so it is white. It's complete. The next puzzle is 8% MNOPQRST are sitting in a circular table. Some of them face inside and some of them face outside. All information is not necessary in same order. Not more than 2 adjacent persons face same direction. At first we draw 2 circles. The first clue, one person sits between P and N. The second clue, Q sits second to the right of N. Immediate neighbor of N faces opposite direction to each other. R sits third to the right of S. R sits third to the left of S. R is not immediate neighbor of N and Q. T sits second to the right of O, who sits second to the right of M. M sits immediate right of P. T is not immediate neighbor of R. T and R not immediate neighbor. And the last one, M faces outside. And M faces outside. So here we put P, here N, and N, here Q, as one person sit between N and Q. So Q cannot sit here, only the opposite another portion of N Q can sit. The next one, R is not immediate neighbor of N and Q. So here R cannot sit, only here and here. here, here, and here cannot sit, are only here and here. So the R sits third to the left of S. So if here, so 1, 2, 3 R, or and if M put here, then O sit here and T sit here, but T and R cannot sit adjacent to each other, does not sit adjacent to each other. So M does not sit here, M sit here, and the P faces outside and M also faces outside. If M sit here and O sit here, and T sit here, not S, T sit here, because T sit second to the right of O and S sit here. In this circle also M sit here, then O sit here, and T sit here, and S sit here. So it is not fulfill the condition, it is right. The third puzzle. 8 persons are sitting around a square table such that 4 of them sit at the corner and the rest of the middle of the sides. We draw 2 squares. The first clue: C does not sit on the middle of the side. So C sit corner. The second clue: the person sitting at the corners face same direction but the opposite of the person sitting at the middle of the sides. A faces E. A faces E. Not more than one person sit between D and F when counted from left of F. Not more than one person. D is not immediate neighbor of A. So D and A not immediate neighbor. H sits second to the left of G, who is one of the neighbor of E. G, who neighbor of E, sits second to the right of H. H sit opposite to B. H sit opposite to B. C does not sit second to the right of A. So C does not sit here. A does not sit here. A sit here, and E sit here, and D and A not immediate neighbor. So if D here, then F sit here, the next clue is G and H. So one person is between G and H, and H sits second to the left of G. left of G. So B and A is opposite to each other. No, that condition not fulfilled here. So if we H here and G here, G is immediate neighbor of B and B here. So A opposite to E, D and F not more than 1%, D and A not immediate neighbor. So D and A not immediate neighbor. G is H is second to the left of G, okay, and G is immediate neighbor of E, and B is opposite to H, so it is fulfilled.